So here is the process. Once I get the sap from the trees to the barrels, so this barrel's almost full. Once they're in the barrel, over here I've got a barrel that's partially pumped out. So I've got a sump pump down in that barrel. You can see that barrel, and I got a hose that takes that sump pump sap, brings it up here, and you can see that it's running in through this filter into this big holding tank. So there it is in the big holding tank. From the holding tank, it goes along that hose into this warming pan, which has a float on it. So the warming pan float controls the flow from the tank into the warming pan, which then goes into the big boiling pan. So you can see the big boiling pan boiling away there. It's boiling away, and then what happens is the big boiling pan will empty into this other holding pan, which has a float control that controls how much sap and syrup goes into the finishing pan. So you can see it's finishing, and it starts at first, the hole is up on that side, then it comes down here and through a hole here and then down to that area, and that's where it's going to be the warmest. And I've got a couple of thermometers there and temperatures, and then this device kicks in and it's looking at the temperature, and I'm now pulling this off. 224 is actually not the right temperature, it's probably more like 218, 219 right now. So I've got it set for 224. What'll happen is once it hits 224 on that other sensor, this automatic valve will open up and it will take the syrup, put it into this filter, into this container. I've already pulled some off today. Actually, it pulled itself off today. So that's the process. It goes from the barrels. I pump that barrel up through the hose into the holding tank into the warming pan into the big condenser. Big condenser goes into the finishing pans. Finishing pans will then, based on the temperature of the day, we'll pull it out into the final bucket. And from there, I'll take it and finish it and package it.